So the Clippers win the tip. George with the ball. Zubac. It's hauled in by the Suns. Now Durant. Pass to Beal. No good off the back of the rim.
Boy, that's a warm-up jumper there. I mean, when you're a pro, you can't make excuses for missing that one.
And it's Durant with the rebound. Clippers on defense. We'll go to Doris Burke, who spoke with head coach Monty Williams. And he's going up for the alley-oop. Now Beal. About a minute played so far here in the first. And that one's good. Durant.
Offensively, he can be the engine that drives them at any given time.
Pass to Harden. Harden left side. The kick out to Westbrook. Beal with the steal. Just around a minute and a half into the first quarter. Second shot opportunity. Out of bounds, the Clippers take possession. Here's Westbrook. There's the lob to the hoop. Right side Westbrook. Out of bounds, Phoenix takes possession. On offense, here are the Suns. And about 2 minutes played here in the first quarter. Pass to Durant. Clock at 6. And that one goes long.
His touch has disappeared on him this quarter. He just hasn't been able to get it going.
Now here's Leonard. Well placed alley-oop pass into the layup. Here's Booker. Pass to Durant. Wide open look. And he gets it to go.
Hasn't been the hot start he's wanted here. I mean, he's got a few to fall, but doesn't seem on target most of the time he fires.
That's good. He's got 6.
And, Steve, it's also really remarkable what a solid shooter he is, even in the presence of tough, sticky defense. He smoothly and calmly executes.
And the Clippers making a switch here. Here's George. Pass to Plumlee. Solid shot from the distance of about 14 feet.
Sometimes folks forget about his decent mid-range jumper. He can knock those down all game given a chance.
Stolen away. Here we go, all alone. Now here is George. Here's Beal. Releases. Another one falls for Phoenix. Now here is George. Here's Powell. A three-pointer is right on target.
D there, guys, was pretty much non-existent. I mean, you can't leave a good shooter like that open.
Now here's Beal. And the Suns tack on 2 more. Plumlee with it. Pass to George. Left side, George. Plumlee. Beal pulls it in. Right side, Durant. And still a close game as the first quarter comes to a close. Well, it's been a tight one so far as we get the second quarter going back here. And guys, what's your take on the Clippers so far? The Suns trailing. Now here's Beal. shot is off. George with the ball. Throws it up high. Here's Booker. He hasn't scored yet. That, I'm sure, will change. Shoots it. And it's the Clippers with the rebound.
I tell you what, folks. I bet he won't miss that shot next time he takes it.
And here's George. Shot is no good.
Usually, if he gets to the rim, he's converting it into points. But the defense stood tall there.
Back to Durant. Plenty of space. And the jumper is good. 8 points for him. Now here's Leonard. Got him with the pump fake, but couldn't finish. 3-on-3. Outside Durant. Here's Booker. Second quarter, we're a little over a minute and a half in. Now Westbrook. Harden outside. Back to Westbrook. Oh, and there's the alley-oop. Throws down the alley-oop slam. Here's Beal. Guys are looking for a spark here.
Yeah, I mean, a cold stretch offensively. They desperately need a basket.
And the Suns call time. And the Suns making a change here. Quarter number 2. We're about 2 minutes in. Outside Durant. Pass to Gordon for the 3. Can't get it to go. Now here's Westbrook. And here's Harden. It's tipped. Gordon with it. Left block shot on the way. And the shot is good. Here's Westbrook. We're just over 2.5 minutes into the second quarter. Left side Westbrook. And he lays it straight in.
4 of their last 5 makes came off of a high-quality shot inside.
Here's Durant. Shot from 12. And that one's good. 10 points for him.
Well, he doesn't waste too many of those chances close to the basket.
And here's George. Outside Leonard. Backing him down. Outside for George. Leonard. Back to George. Pass to Harden. For 3. The shot no good. And a little under 3.5 minutes elapsed in the second quarter of play. That puts them in the lead.
He always knows where his teammate's going to be, and, Kevin, that will let him put the ball where he wants it, right waiting for him.
Out of bounds, Phoenix takes possession.
That's a major mental mistake. I mean, there's no other way for me to describe it. He didn't know where he was on the court. That's a basic fundamental. You have to be alert to where you are.
Here's Gordon. And the Suns get it back. Pass to Beal. Gordon with it. And it's Gordon missing. And he gets the bucket.
They have got to put a body on it, because otherwise, with his agility and athleticism, they're not going to be able to contain him on the offensive glass.
Outside, George. Lets it go with a 3. That one goes. Count it. He's got 5. So the clock runs out with the score tied going into halftime.